this is really stupid. We should be doing this tomorrow. Maybe we shouldn't have fucked with the structural integrity.
Oh my god.
Is it gonna drop it on top of my truck?
It's gonna rip the... Fuck, dude.
Probably.
It's gonna rip the top. Oh, crap. Oh, that is in half. Oh, that is in half. Yeah, dude, we should have done this fucking tomorrow. He just drives away. Fly him off, bitches!
Oh my god.
You're gonna get the fucking cops calling us. God damn. Fucking stupid.
I think we should have did that from the beginning of it.
Yeah, look at it. It collapsed on itself. Jeez.
Holy hell. Oh yeah, that's the other one.
Holy hell. Look at the damage on that sucker.